Most people wait until the end of the month to look at their money. That's way too late. Here's what to do instead in just 15 minutes a week. Welcome back to Smart Money MVP, where we break down money stuff in a way that actually makes sense. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos to help you take control of your finances. One smart move at a time. Think of your monthly budget like a map. It helps you plan where you want to go. But without weekly check-ins, it's like driving blindfolded between stops. Weekly reviews aren't a replacement for budgets. They're your radar. They show you where you actually are, what's changed, and what needs attention now, not 3 weeks from now. This small habit builds awareness, keeps surprises from piling up, and helps you feel more in control of your finances day to day. You'll start catching problems earlier and making decisions faster with less stress. And the best part? It only takes 15 minutes. Done weekly, like on a Sunday, it's one of the simplest ways to stay on track with money without overthinking it. There's a psychological reason this works. The more often you check in with your money, the more natural it becomes. You stop avoiding it. You stop feeling behind. Weekly reviews help you catch emotional spending patterns, build self-awareness, and make adjustments in real time instead of reacting at the end of the month. This habit creates a tighter feedback loop. You look, you notice, you course correct. And over time, that builds financial confidence, not just knowledge. It's not about obsessing, it's about building control through consistency. That's what weekly reviews offer, a steady rhythm that makes money feel manageable. Here's what to look at during your weekly review. Start with the transactions. Open your bank or budgeting app and scan everything that came in or went out. You're not judging yourself, just observing. Look for anything you don't recognize, any surprises, or things you forgot you spent money on. Next, do a quick cleanup. Don't worry about perfect categories. Label spending in a way that makes sense to you. Was it food, fun, or oops? Keep it simple. Then check your account balances. This includes checking, savings, and credit cards. Look for any red flags like a balance dropping too fast or a credit card creeping higher. Catching it now can help you avoid fees or interest later. You can also glance at your investments, but only if it's helpful. Weekly might be too frequent for long-term investing. The point here is to stay informed, not obsessed. This whole process should feel light. You're just scanning your financial dashboard. The goal is clarity, not perfection. Think of it like tidying up your digital wallet. Quick, clean, and clear. You can do this review with just a spreadsheet and your bank app, but using a tool that organizes everything in one place makes it faster and easier. Some solid options are Monarch, YNAB, Quick and Simplify, or Tiller. Each one helps you track spending, label transactions, and spot patterns quickly. Pick one that fits how your brain works. Some people love automation, others want full control. There's no perfect app, like just the one you'll actually use. Once you've got your system set up, the 15-minute review becomes second nature. To make it easy, here's your 15-minute weekly review checklist. Feel free to screenshot this or create your own version that fits your flow. First, review all transactions. 2. Label or categorize spending. Keep it simple. 3. Check account balances. Check credit card balances. Optional, glance at investments. 6. Make one small note or adjustment for next week. That's it. This process isn't about being perfect. It's about building awareness and staying close to your money in a way that feels doable. Over time, these 15-minute sessions add up to real momentum. You'll feel more in control, less anxious, and way more prepared to make good decisions. And remember, it's not about obsessing over every dollar. It's about staying aware and in control, without letting it stress you out. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more simple, smart money tips.